wonder. And you are some stupendous scholars for joining me today. I'm wondering what we should do today to help us become wonderful writers. Oh, maybe Mr. Wonderbag. Mr. Wonderbag, could you help us? Do you have something that could help us become wonderful writers today? What do you think? Do you have something in there? Ah, you do? You do? Well, let's see. What is in the Mr. Wonder bag today? What could it be? What could it be? Mr. Wonder, you have a pencil. Well, that is true. We can write with a pencil. Most certainly we can. I mean, we use pencils to write. But, you know, what if we're not ready to write yet? What if we have other things that we need to learn and do before we hold that pencil? There are so many wonderful things we can do, my stupendous scholars, before holding a pencil in our hand to write. Oh, where is Wandy? Wandy, where are you? Wandy, there you are. I have missed you, my friends. Hello, Wandy. Wandy, do you think you could do something magical, maybe something wonderful, and put something in our bag that will help these stupendous scholars learn to write and become wonderful writers without using a pencil yet? Come on, Wandy, work your magic. I wish for something wonderful. Oh my goodness, Wandy, you are simply magical. There is some wonderful materials and tools within here that we can become better writers with. And it doesn't have to be a pencil. So let's see. Ooh, we have a big red bowl. Oh, what a silly thing to help us become a wonderful writer. Oh, what else do we have? Ooh, this looks something like from a wonderful water table. Oh, wow, it spins. Look at that. That looks wonderful. Oh, we have many red cups. Let's count our red cups. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 4 red cups. And oh my, there is a white cup in there. Oh, wow. Look at all these wonderful tools. What could we possibly do with these things? I think we need some water. Water! We need water. Wandy! Where are you, Wandy? There you are, Wandy. Wandy, we need some water. Can you help us get some water? I wish for wonderful things. You did it! You put water in this wonderful red bowl. Thanks, Wandy. Okay, so now we are going to pour the water. Pouring is a writing workout. Did you know that? You're working out your writing skills just by pouring, because it's working all of these muscles here that you're going to need one day to hold a pencil. Yay! So let's spend time pouring the water. Oh, this one has a little bit of a leak. Oh, we have a red cup and a red cup, and it's leaking. Oh, should we catch it? We'll catch it with the white cup. Here it comes, and we're pouring and we're pouring. And playing with water is also so much fun. Let's see. Let's look at this fancy tool here. I'm going to scoop up all kinds of water, and oh, it's magical. I love it. The water is so magical. and I'm working my muscles to make me a wonderful writer one day. Oh, I can't wait till I get to hold a pencil. It's going to be so much fun, and I'm gonna love being able to share all these fabulous ideas that are inside my head. Oh, what about these cups here? I don't want to forget about these cups. You know what could make this even more fun? Wandy, where are you? Wandy! Oh, there you are, Wandy. Wandy, I think bubbles would make this even more fun. Do you think so? Yes, you think so? Bubbles. Let's add some bubbles. Oh, but where could we get the bubbles from? Oh, do you think that possibly Mr. Wonderbag could provide us with some bubbles, maybe? Let's see. I wish for wonderful things. Oh, it's green soap and it's so heavy. Oh my goodness, but I'm going to add the soap in here. Now, boys and girls, this is a very clean project, would you say? Let me add a little bit more. Oh, maybe a little bit more. Oh, just a whole bunch of soap because I love bubbles and sudsy and oh my goodness, and we're going to add in. Let me tell you, these are all very, very simple things that you probably have around the house. Ask your parents for a bowl and some measuring cups and maybe a nice table cover to keep your table nice and clean. Or go outside and do it. And you can also get this if you have a water table. And I'm starting to see bubbles and it feels so silky and smooth. And I just love all of these bubbles. So make sure to tell your parents to pull these things out. And after you're done watching today, you can make your own little water table as well. Or you can have so much fun. And you can go get it right now. And you can sit and you can pour with me. And you can practice those muscles that will eventually help you to, let me wipe off my hands a little bit, hold a pencil and become a wonderful writer. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and I hope that you will join us again as we learn more skills and more things we can do to become wonderful writers. Bye-bye. Oh my goodness, but I forgot one thing. How could I forget it? We must always say bye-bye with bubbles. Wandy, we need bubbles. Oh my gosh, look how many bubbles are inside here. Oh my gosh, but we need more. Wandy, we need bubbles. We need to say bye with bubbles. You and Mr. Wonderbag, can you work together on this one? Okay. I wish for wonderful things. Oh, purple bubbles. Oh, now, how could I have forgotten? We must always say goodbye with bubbles. Oh, bubbles are fun. Bubbles are fun. Oh, but it's taking quite a bit of a time to get this out. Bubbles on my nose. Bubbles on my toes. Bubbles all around. Bubbles make no sound. Bye! Oh, and my friends, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below so that you can see all of this bubble fun and write with Mrs. Wonder. Bye-bye. Oh, and don't forget to hit the like button.